Welcome back. Let's understand about Mule events in this session. Whenever we learn a new technology, we should adopt some anatomy and terminology of the technology. In previous sessions, we developed a REST service, and if we observe here, we have a dotted line, and left to it we placed a connector, and right to it we placed couple of connectors. The connector we are keeping left to this dotted line are called as event sources. Mule event source. Mule event sources are the trigger points which allows client requests to process this business logic. And the connectors are right to this dotted line are called as Mule event processors. The Mule event processors are responsible to do the business that we developed. And whenever a client makes request to this service, the incoming request considered as a Mule event. Whenever a client makes a request to the service by sending input data, that will come to the event source as Mule event. And this Mule event contains a message structure. So the message structure helps us in holding this input data into that Mule message. So whenever we get headers data or body data, that will be injected into attributes and payload of the Mule message. The header values will go to the attributes and the input data inside body will be injected into the payload. So once this Mule event as processed from event trigger or event source to Mule event processor, then we will extract these input fields either from headers or from body using the objects provided by Mule message, that are attributes and payload. We also create variables inside a flow. We will see why we create variables in coming sessions. Those also will reside under Mule message structure. We will see how we can extract this Mule event incoming data from Mule message structure in next video. Thank you. Happy learning.